hook split shot worms. The water's a little bit low today. It kind of feels like the rain is coming in at the moment, so I'm sure we're due a big downpour. Hopefully that spells good feeding. Gave him a nice piercing anyway. We've got 3 on the board. Got a take there, see if he comes back. Hopefully it won't take long. Yes, happy days. What a nice fella. Good thing it's been raining. We'll be handing out the grass. Nice little brown. Yeah, happy days. Throw him in the net there. Happy days, we got 1 on the board, and anyway, delighted we stayed there because I knew there was one waiting for us. See if he comes back. He never came back after that. Oh, that was a tap there again, millisecond. I'm not getting much access today, I have to be honest. It's fairly overgrown. Bit of a run here. I'm getting up here into the slightly deeper water. Oh yes. Happy days. Lovely. Nice little fella. Happy days. We'll get him back quick and anyway. 2 on the board. Right, see you later, bud. We caught him right in the scissor lip, gave him a nice piercing, and anyway, the rain is coming down a good bit now at the moment. Close that's fishing. I think we're going to start making treks back towards the car. Hopefully fish a few spots on the way up. Thank God we're going home. The rain's really starting. It hasn't rained for a while, so I reckon coming back tomorrow is going to be a good idea. Yes. Lovely. A tiny fella. But look, happy to have him. Happy days. Thanks very much for coming. And he's gone. Happy days. On the way home, saved us again. Nice to get another little small brown, and anyway, caught him right in the lip again, so it's all about getting that strike right.